welcome to the very first of GT Magazine's collaborative series with Fabbitt, a luxury e-store with all your favorite designers. If you're stuck in a style rut or are looking for interesting style hacks, this is the show for you. I'm Mehek Raza Rizvi, the editor of the magazine, and I'm joined today by Mahnoor Wali, the trend expert at Fabbitt, for a very informative chat on fashion. Hi Mahnoor, and welcome to our show.
Thank you, Mehek. It's great to be here, and Assalamu alaikum to everybody.
Firstly, Mahnoor, congratulations to Fabbitt for completing 3 successful years in the business. That must feel great.
It's fantastic.
Before we go further, would you like to give a little introduction to everyone who's watching to Fabbitt and its history?
Absolutely. So, Fabbitt was founded by Anushamar, who's our CEO. She's a Stanford graduate, and being part of the Silicon Valley culture and stuff, she felt she wanted to integrate fashion with technology. She decided that e-commerce is the way to go. She brought on board 80 plus designers, and now you can get any outfit from any brand as just a click away. We also provide styling services. So हमारे in-house we do have a stylist on board. आप उनके साथ एक Skype session कर सकते हो. You can phone call, WhatsApp.
अच्छा मानूर, इससे पहले कि हम फैशन ट्रेंड्स की बात करना शुरू करें, आप ट्रेंड एक्सपर्ट हैं Fabbitt पे. So could you run us through the process of collecting data? How do you analyze what's trending up? Like, how do you come up with your reports?
Okay. So Mehek, as you know, we are an e-commerce website. So हर दिन हमारी बहुत सी sales आती हैं from Pakistan and around the world. So हमें पता होता है किसको क्या पसंद आ रहा है, वो ले रहे हैं, ख़रीद रहे हैं. For example, some people will see कि अच्छा they liked something but they didn't purchase it, and then we track down why. Right? So we're constantly analyzing what is being bought, what is not being bought, and why are certain things preferred over other things. And not only brands, but also cuts, palettes, silhouettes. Once you have so much data, फिर आप trends निकालना शुरू हो जाते हो. And that's basically why we wanted to share this and use this platform.
What are you guys excited about, and what are we going to be talking about today? Which particular trend?
This year हमने देखा है कि एक blast from the past हो रहा है basically. We're seeing that people are going back to their roots, their heritage. People now want simpler things, things that are elegant, tasteful embellishment. Now we're seeing कि भाई जो हमारे heritage prints हैं, heritage काम है, heritage embellishments है, that is coming back in fashion.
Mahnoor, I love that. Just last night I was going through my Instagram feed like we all do before bed, and I came across this really, really lovely baby pink outfit by Ulla Johnson, which had heavy rally work on it. So that just goes to show that it's not just our local designers but also international ones. हमारे तो बहुत है ना, दिलकामिया रोकनी, ज़हीर अब्बास ने सबने किया हुआ है. But internationally भी designers are really incorporating centuries old heritage prints from the subcontinent. It's very interesting to me personally, but there are people who would argue that using heritage prints and the way that they're being used, especially by international designers, undermines their historical context, and then comes up the debate of also cultural appropriation and reinterpretation versus reinterpretation. आप उसके बारे में क्या बोलेंगे?
The solution to it is simply कि आपको recognize करना चाहिए
और credit देना चाहिए.
Exactly, due importance. If it's from a certain country, culture, give it the right recognition or state, explicitly कि भाई हमने this inspiration दी है, या we're reinterpreting that.
And then it's a celebration of that.
Exactly. And I think there's nothing wrong with that.
It's the way you do it, especially जो हमारे जो young लोग हैं, जो second generation है, living abroad. I guess it's a way of reconnecting for them with their roots. अच्छा Mahnoor, वैसे तो there are a lot of heritage prints that we could talk about, but क्योंकि time constraint है, हम आज कोई 4 pick करेंगे, whichever ones you want. So what are those going to be?
Our first look today is the block print from Sindh. Now the kapda is actually lawn, and उस पे उन्होंने block printing of metallics, whites basically की हुई. Very simple, minimal embellishments, because again it's so intricate, the design, that you don't need to have over embellishments with it. You can also, this is a very simple cut, you have your straight box cut, nice pearl embellishment, you have your chiffon ka dupatta, but you know, this is just one way of wearing it, right? You can pair it with pants, you can pair it with culottes, you can take it without a dupatta, turn it into a kurti.
Love the color, Mahnoor. Love what you picked. What's next?
So next we have one of your favorites, the ralli ka kaam. I love ralli because ये जो है ना design that you can see, it's very wearable. It's very wearable for every day. थोड़ा सा you style it up, you can wear it for lunches, style it up a little bit more, it's perfect for dinner wear. Again, the kapra is cotton lawn, it's light, wearable, breathable, perfect for the summer. Even the color, it's very summery, right? So again, very suitable for this season.
I know what I'm stocking up on this summer. I've already bought a few ralli outfits, but like Mahnoor's inspired me to get more. What's next, Mahnoor?
Our third look, which is one of my favorites for today, is the ajrak. But look at the way the ajrak has been styled. You know, you have this really nice attractive top, it's very contemporary, so you've taken a traditional design और उसको बिल्कुल आपने modernize कर दिया. You know, you've given it kind of that one strap off shoulder vibe, it's got a very loose flowing silhouette, kind of cape like, and then you added very tasteful embellishments at the bottom that you're not taking away from the design, in fact you're adding to it. And in the bottoms we've added a tulip shalwar, where you can even pair it with some bell bottoms, for instance, you know, play with the silhouettes and so on and so forth.
अच्छा, अब lastly हमारे पास क्या रह गया?
So the all-time traditional favorite, our chunri. Again, we've taken a modern silhouette, and the point Mehek is कि हम लोगों को दिखाएं कि आप ट्रेडिशनल चीज़ें मॉडर्न किस तरह कर सकते हो, कंटेम्प्रेरी किस तरह कर सकते हो, एवरीडे में किस तरह ला सकते हो. तो हमारी चुनरी में यू सी इट्स अ नाइस स्लीवलेस डिज़ाइन विद स्ट्रेट लाइन पैंट्स एंड वी हैव अ हैवी दुपट्टा. ठीक है, आई लव हैवी दुपट्टास बिकॉज देयर you can wear it with anything. ठीक है, even a plain design. The dupatta is heavily embroidered, but the outfit itself is just based on the chunri itself. Again, you can play with the silhouette. आपको जिस cut पसंद है आप उसके मुताबिक बना सकते हो.
Mahnoor, I love how you said that these heritage prints have so much of character in them already, and there's so many different ways to wear them up. You can wear them as it is, or if you want to dress it up, then you add embellishment wherever you want. You can wear it in everyday wear, or you can wear it to a more fancier event, say like a big dinner or even a wedding. The opportunities are endless, but it's the print at the end of the day that stands out the most. This has been really fun, Mahnoor. I have learned a lot of things, and I'm sure you guys have too. We're going to be bugging Mahnoor more, and we're going to be coming up with a lot of more content and a lot of more fun shows, so you guys stay tuned. Thank you, Mahnoor, for joining us.